during the patrolling we have noticed that one vehicle was, collected intelligence that one vehicle, Prado vehicle, was moving on the Modzim beat, and the video also had become the viral. Accordingly, we collected intelligence. After collecting intelligence, we have traced the vehicle along with the owner of the vehicle, and we have brought the vehicle at the police station. We have registered a case against the driver of the vehicle, Mr. Ashok Wadia. He is from New Delhi, and the FIR is registered against him under section 188, 269, 279, 336 of IPC. Especially during the lockdown, nobody can move. Yeah, otherwise also nobody can take the vehicle on the beach for the jab ride. So this is a strong message. We have attached the vehicle, this Prado vehicle Toyota number DL3C 3D5181. It's a Land Cruiser Prado vehicle, Toyota vehicle. So we attached the vehicle, and further investigations are in progress.